Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naila Safa Jamila, and I'm from Senior High School of Nurul Fikri Boarding School Serang. Now, I would like to present my research with the title Optimal Concentration and pH of Cuttlefish bone waste as a basic ingredients of calcium carbonate in the manufacture of herbal toothpaste. As introduction, Indonesia is an archipelago as the longest coastal country in the world and 75% region are sea, and of course famous with its marine product, especially fish and cuttlefish. An estimation cuttlefish production in Indonesia is approximately 283 kilogram a year. Cuttlefish bone have a chemical content of about 85% calcium carbonate, and the purpose of this study was to analyze the effect of adding cuttlefish bone powder on the quality and characteristic of the resulting teeth and to find the best formulation for adding cuttlefish bone powder. The experimental design carried out was the use of cuttlefish bone waste with a concentration of 50% and 25% into toothpaste. This is the experimental research, and we do from February until March 2021 at Chemical Laboratory of Unsara, Serang, Banten. This study aimed to make herbal toothpaste using cuttlefish bone as a basic ingredient of calcium carbonate. Cuttlefish bone used in the study were taken from waste from the raw market in the Serang, Banten area. Cuttlefish are leftovers from the cell-processed fish that are not used by surrounding community, causing the environment become dirty and polluted. This video shows us how we make the herbal toothpaste. Based on the graph, it can be seen that the most of the participants like the aroma of herbal toothpaste, which are the concentration of A of cuttlefish as many as 11 people, and they like the aroma of herbal toothpaste, which are a concentration of B cuttlefish bone as many as 90 people, 67.9%. And this table also showed that the result of chi-square test analysis at the 95% confidence level showed that statistically there is a significant difference between the aroma preference of herbal toothpaste that have concentration of A and B with a B value is 0.002. And for color, herbal toothpaste, most of participants prefer a concentration of B of cuttlefish bone as many as 30 people. For the chi-square test analysis at the 95% confidence level showed that statistically, there is no significant difference between the color preference of concentration A and B with the p-value is 0.057. For the viscosity of herbal toothpaste, most of participants prefer a concentration of A of cuttlefish bone as many as 7 people. For chi-square test analysis at the 95% confidence level, there is no significant difference between the viscosity preference of concentration A and B with a p-value 0.130. For the form of herbal toothpaste, most of participants prefer a concentration of B of cuttlefish bone as many as 10 people. For chi-square test analysis at the 95%, there is no significant difference between the preference of concentration of A and B with the p-value 0.522. And the last is taste of herbal toothpaste. Most of participants prefer a concentration of B of cuttlefish bone as many as 9 people. And for chi-square test analysis at the 95% confidence level show that statistically there is no significant difference between and the taste prefer of herbal toothpaste that have concentration A and B with the p-value is 1000. The pH of two toothpaste was A with a value of B and B 25% concentration with a value of 7, which means both of them is relatively safe to use. And as a conclusion, the result of the organoleptic quality analysis for aroma and viscosity show that the participant prefer the addition of 25% calcium cuttlefish bone powder. And for color, foam, and taste, participant prefer sample with the addition of 50% cuttlefish bone powder. From all the test results that have been done, it can be concluded that toothpaste with the addition of cuttlefish bone powder 50% is better than the addition of cuttlefish bone powder 25%. And the result of chemical analysis of the pH test of toothpaste A and B are included in the SNI or Indonesian National Standard, range 4.5 until 10.5. Concentration A value of 8 and concentration B value of 7. Mean both of them has met the requirement. The benefit of this research are expected can provide information that cuttlefish bone can be used as an ingredient for making herbal toothpaste. This is my bibliography of my research. Thank you for your kind attention.